Imagine a world where your application runs only when needed, without needing to worry about managing servers. Welcome to AWS Lambda. Hi everyone, I'm Yosna Gimre and today we are going to learn about AWS Lambda. What is AWS Lambda? It is a serverless computing service that lets you run code without managing servers, which means you can write your application logic while AWS handles the infrastructures. Now let's understand this with a fun example. Let's say you love ordering pizza. You don't keep calling your pizza shop every second in case you want to eat it for later, which is a complete waste of time and effort for both of you. So instead, you only call it when you actually want to eat it. And once they deliver your pizza, the job is done. AWS Lambda works the same way. It only runs when needed and stops once the job is done. Now let's understand how AWS Lambda works. Let's say user takes photograph which needs to be resized into different screen sizes. It is now then uploaded into the S3 bucket, which is a data lake, and once the photo is uploaded into the S3 bucket, Lambda is triggered. This Lambda functions contains image resizing code, which is used to resize the photo into the different screen sizes. This resized photo is now ready to be used into web, mobile, and different tablet sizes. These are some of the features of AWS Lambda. As we have discussed that AWS Lambda is a serverless compute, so no need to manage servers. AWS handles scaling and maintenance, allowing you to focus on your code. You only pay for the compute time you use, so no charges for idle time, which makes it cost effective. It handles from a single request to millions without manual interventions. AWS Lambda is triggered by events like file uploads, API requests, or database changes, allowing for a real-time, efficient execution. And it is easy to integrate with other AWS services like S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, enables powerful automations. Now let's see a real-world application. Netflix is a streaming company which uses AWS Lambda for real-time data processing. But why AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda automatically scales to handle large traffic in a peak time without changing the servers. So that is one of the application of AWS Lambda. There are many real-world application of AWS Lambda, like Airbnb also uses AWS Lambda for resizing their photos and videos. AWS Lambda is not just a service, it's a game changer in a cloud world. Whether you are a developer, data engineer, or a business owner, AWS Lambda helps you scale and automate your cloud application efficiently. So that was all about AWS Lambda. I hope this video helped you understand AWS Lambda. Thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.